Attention all PowerShell enthusiasts! Are you ready to unleash the power of scripting and automation? Look no further as we delve into the fascinating world of PowerShell. PowerShell, a powerful command line shell and scripting language, is designed specifically for system administrators and IT professionals. With its extensive capabilities, it allows you to efficiently manage and automate tasks across your Windows, Linux, and macOS environments. Imagine being able to execute commands, manipulate files and folders, and even manage software installations, all through a single interface. That's exactly what PowerShell empowers you to do. Say goodbye to the daunting task of individually executing commands in different shells. One of the key features that sets PowerShell apart is its object-oriented nature. Instead of just manipulating text, PowerShell treats everything as an object, allowing you to access properties and methods, making complex operations a breeze. But don't worry, PowerShell isn't just for experts. Beginners can kickstart their PowerShell journey with its easy-to-understand syntax and vast community support. With thousands of scripts readily available, you can quickly find solutions to your challenges and accelerate your learning. PowerShell is not just limited to single machines either. Its remoting capabilities enable you to manage systems and perform tasks on multiple remote computers simultaneously. With a few lines of code, you can deploy software updates, configure security settings, and even run scripts on a whole network of computers effortlessly. Whether you are automating repetitive tasks, managing servers, or troubleshooting, PowerShell's versatility makes it an essential tool in any IT professional's arsenal. So if you're ready to take your IT game to the next level, embrace PowerShell and unlock a whole new world of scripting and automation. It's time to harness the power of PowerShell and revolutionize the way you manage systems. Let your PowerShell journey begin today.